Happy Wednesday, Fumi Nation. How are you, my darlings? My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, this episode has been so highly requested that I had to take my time and break it all the way down, because it is what? It's all about stretch marks, darlings, and majority of us have them. This episode is going to be how to prevent stretch marks, how to get rid of stretch marks, and how to fade stretch marks. It will be 1, 2, 3. Stretch marks can be found on your back, on your bottom, on your thighs, on your arms, on your breasts, and the most popular place of them all, on your tummy. Most especially when you are pregnant, after pregnancy, and of course when you rapidly gain weight, when you rapidly lose weight. Also, it can be hereditary. Stretch marks are extremely popular, and they are more common in women of color than Caucasian. Look it up. So let us start from the tippy. When I got pregnant, my mother, I love her so much, she was absolutely elated, so ecstatic. And she said, for me, as soon as you get that positive test, because, and I've mentioned this before, Ula and I went through 9 rounds of IVF. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rounds of IVF. That will be a different episode. When I finally got pregnant, my parents were overwhelmed with joy, to say the very least. I think my mother just cried the entire 9 months. She was so happy, so happy, so happy for me, so happy that for me I'm gonna be a grandmother, my number 6. And the first thing she said, as soon as you get that positive test, let me know. And I said yes. And here mama come running. Shea butter, raw shea butter. All of my pregnant girlfriends, in fact, it's gone down now because I don't have that much. Raw shea butter is what I give them as a gift. It is, my darlings, the best thing that ever happened to me. It is absolutely fantastic because it has what? Plumping properties. So where people might say start at 5 months, 6 months, mama said absolutely not. As soon as you get that positive test for me, then you start applying shea butter. I will bring it for you all the way from Nigeria. I think this is Gambian, I'm not sure. She gave it to my sister. My sister used it for her pregnancy, and I used it in my pregnancy, and I did not get one stretch mark. Let's show you, okay? Mama did not get one stretch mark. This is my scar from when I got my cyst removed at Christmas. But just look, nothing at all. Nothing at all. And I used the shea butter the entire time. The entire time I used this beautiful, absolute shea butter. It has to be raw shea butter. I couldn't tell you where to get it, but I'm sure if you are determined, you will find. You know what? Let's call Mama. Let's call Mama Lou. Let's call her and see what is happening. All right. She should be awake now, so let's call her. Okay, I'm going to do it in this direction because I don't know whether she's going to be dressed or anything. So let's wait. Whether she's dressed up. Aha! Hello, Mommy Kids! Sweetie!
Hello, beautiful!
Hello, gorgeous!
Now me born this beautiful girl.
Now you!
Where are you going looking so gorgeous?
Thank you, my sunshine, sweetie! You know what I'm doing?
Business and do your own thing.
Mind your own business and do your own things. That's my mom. I love her so much. Mommy Kings, I'm filming. I am filming and I am talking about the shea butter you bought me when I got pregnant with Adrian. Because a lot of the girls want to know how to prevent stretch marks. So I was telling them that my wonderful mommy from Gambia, you came and you gave me this shea butter. Is it just raw shea butter?
Yes.
Where can they get this raw shea butter in Nigeria, for example? Because I have followers.
Any big market.
Okay.
They go right inside and ask for the shea butter sellers. They always have their huts where they keep the raw butter in their shops in Lagos. Nigeria is known for the original shea butter. They make it from seed, and it's fantastic, and it allows you to go through your pregnancy without any stretch marks.
Thank you very, very much, Mommy Kins.
I love you, Fumi.
I love you, Mommy. Fumi Nation says, good morning, Mommy Kins.
Okay, love you all. God bless.
Mwah. I love you, Mama. I love you. Mwah, mwah. Love you. Love you. Bye. Thank you. Bye. So I learned something today. I'm putting on the fan because it's hot up in here. Wait, hold on. I think the fan has died. Okay, it's come back on. Yes, all right. Here we go. So, did you hear what Mommy Fumi said? It's made from seed. And that is why it is so fabulous. And you can get it in any Nigerian markets. The Nigerian markets in Lagos, fabulous. And this, my darling, this shea butter. I know that there are lots of things out there, but when I tell you this, you will get no stretch marks. And I was huge. I'll try and put some clips of when I was pregnant, and I took this every single day, 3 times a day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Why? Because as your belly is getting bigger and it's going very quickly, you're going to feel itchy. You're going to feel dry. When I was a sales girl at Selfridges, this was when I was in university, I learned about the dermis and the epidermis. Those are the 2 layers of skin. It stretches from underneath because it's fast. Even with a plastic bag, do you see how it stretches? That's what the skin does because it's so fast. And what you need to do is to pack that in with moisture. It's the lack of moisture that gives you the stretch mark, because there's nothing to just hydrate it and let it be elastic and let it stretch. Because like dough, like plasticine, when you add more milk, what happens? You can stretch it. When there's lack there of butter and milk and eggs, what happens? It breaks up. Simple. That's just exactly what it is. Shea butter, raw shea butter, everything, my mama, everything. Continue to use this your entire pregnancy. Even after 3-4 months, because I breastfed Adrian, and even up to 3 months, I was coating my tummy, my breasts, my thighs, my bottom, my arms. I finished this. Mommy came with about 12 of this for me. And I would wrap this up in a beautiful gift box. And my girlfriends that I said, you just might need a little help from motherland, I put this in a cute little box with a bowl. And I said, start rubbing. Rub, moisturize. And what? Drink your water. When I was pregnant with Adrian, it was so bizarre. But hey, it worked out fine for me. I was so ready to say I can eat my ice creams. I can just be nice and cuddly and fat. No, my taste buds went. And I had this bitter taste in my mouth. And I could only suck ice. So I drank water. And that worked for me. I ate salads. For those of you that followed my pregnancy journey, I ate salads. I ate my oatmeal. And I could only drink water. Turns out that was the best thing that I needed to do, and you should for any pregnancy. Drink at least 8 glasses of water. Why? Hydration, moisturization, elasticity. We just talked about that. This is what is going to make everything fabulous. Trust me on this one. After you've had your baby, you come back to me and say, Fumi, thank you. And I'll say, you're very welcome, my darling. Now, for those of you that already have stretch marks, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It is what it is. And we are going to get rid of them over time. How long will it take for me? A year. It will give you a solid year because your body needs to repair. You will see your stretch marks are very dark. Then after that, they will come almost like brownish. And that is when they've done with the stretching. So you are now left with the stretch marks. Darlings, 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 listen to me. Run out there and go and get what? Vitamin E capsules or vitamin E raw. Everything. It's like syrup. Let me open this for you so that you can see. I don't know whether I'll pour some on. Just look. This is what you need. It is absolutely fantastic. It's thick and it will penetrate into your beautiful, fabulous, gorgeous, to be gone because no longer necessary stretch marks. Why? Oh my God, it's thick. Why? Because this, my darling, is what prevents wrinkles. It's the plumping. It's got plumping properties, so it begins to plump it back out. And in so doing, it will begin to get rid of the stretch marks. It's going to take a minute. It's going to take a year. They're going to take longer to go than faster they came in. It's just one of those kind of relationships. But I am telling you, this is something that I've used. When a lot of you say, for me, very youthful looking, the vitamin E. Vitamin E capsules, vitamin A raw, vitamin A capsules, aloe vera gel will help now to really start to heal because it's a traumatic experience. It is a traumatic experience, and you can go in with raw aloe vera or you can go in with aloe vera gel. It has to be a gel or raw, one of those ones, because you want all of those properties to really go into the stretch marks and begin to plump and get rid of, and it will take a year. But a year goes so fast. Look at lockdown. You know, we keep on saying COVID-19. That was 2 years ago. And we're going into 2022. It goes fast. This is also, I feel, practicing home care, skin care, therapeutic process for you because you begin to start to take care of your bodies. What I love about the vitamin E also, and I'll tell you about the feed, but this works also. It gets rid of those dark spots. It gets rid of those dark spots like mad. I was impressed because when I was going through pregnancy, I was so happy. You can imagine I was pregnant 48 with my first. I would deliver at 49 and I didn't care. And my mama said, you will care for me. Mommy loves me. As you can see, for me, you're so beautiful. Stay beautiful, stay fabulous. As long as you can. And so she'll give you everything. She did it for my sister. She did it for me. Your vitamin E will do it. I promise you, it will do it. Okay, so we're going into where fading of the stretch marks because it does leave discoloration. Like I said, you've got those blue, purple, really aggressive looking marks. With time, they fade. This is the catch. Because they fade with time, if you attack it right away, you will fasten the process to what? Disappearance. Almond oil. Almond oil. Lemon. Because why? Lightening, brightening properties called what? Lemonine. Sugar. Why? Because sugar draws in all of that properties that you need to fade the scars away. Yes. And that's how you get rid of stretch marks. And you will have none. You will be able to prevent stretch marks on your body. And there you go. Clean as a whistle. And you will be very, very, very happy if you continue to do this for a year. It will go. You'll come back and thank me and say, Fumi, oh my God, I didn't know. Well, you're so welcome, my sweetheart. All right. I hope you enjoyed this episode, my darlings. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share this episode, as well as what? As well as to subscribe. I will have everything linked down below in the description box. I will also have my Amazon storefront where these ingredients will be. The raw shea butter, I will look for it for you and I will link it down below. But go to the market. go to the Indian markets, go to the African markets and get that raw shea butter. Okay? And I will see you when? I'll see you very soon, my darlings. Do you love the beat? I went for a dark lip. This is Maroon by JUVIAS. Please use my discount code FUMI to save your coin at checkout. The discount code does not expire. And I am just living. I am really loving. Let me just look for it if I can find it. I can't find it. Yes, there you go. And I am just loving, really, really loving this palette. Again, I've used it a couple of times. I just love it. I love that sexy nude. And this is Patrick Tar. And this is the Major Dimension palette. There you go. All glitz and glam. I bought one for Christina as a gift. She doesn't know. So I got one for me and I got one for her. Hope you enjoyed the episode, my loves, and I will see you very soon. We're going to do what? Cellulite. Cellulite on the tummy and all of that. We're getting rid of it. We are staying fabulous.